Ever found yourself pondering over the state of your planters? Perhaps they're looking a bit drab, a tad uninspired, or maybe they're just not reflecting your personality as they should. Fear not, for today, we delve into some innovative planter ideas that are sure to spruce up any space and give your plants the stylish homes they deserve. First off, ever thought of using an old ladder as a vertical garden? Yes, you heard that right. An old wooden ladder can become a unique planter with a bit of creativity. Paint it in a vibrant color, or keep it rustic for an antiquated feel. Place your pots on each step and voila, you have a vertical garden that's both functional and stylish. Next up, consider using old tires. It might seem odd, but repurposed tires can make surprisingly chic planters. Paint them in bright colors or earthy tones, fill them with soil, and plant your favorite blooms. It's a great way to recycle and add a touch of uniqueness to your garden. For those with a flair for the artistic, mosaic planters might be the way to go. Use broken tiles, seashells, or even old CDs to create intricate designs on your planters. Not only will they be a treat to the eyes, but they'll also reflect your artistic spirit. What about old boots, you ask? Turn them into planters, of course. A worn-out boot can make a charming rustic planter. Just add some soil, plant your flowers, and place it in your garden. It's a fun, quirky way to add character to your space. Finally, consider creating hanging planters. Use baskets, old light fixtures, or even coconut shells. Hang them from your porch, balcony, or even indoors. They not only save space, but also add an element of vertical interest to your garden. To summarize, the world of planters is more diverse and exciting than you might think. An old ladder can transform into a vertical garden, bringing height and interest to your space. Repurposed tires, painted and filled with soil, make for chic, eco-friendly planters. Mosaic planters allow you to express your artistic side, while old boots can become charming rustic planters. Lastly, hanging planters made from various household items add a vertical element to your garden, saving space and adding intrigue. Remember, the best planters not only house your plants but also reflect your personality and style. So don't be afraid to experiment, repurpose, and create. After all, your garden is your canvas, and you are the artist. Happy planting! Stay connected with Random Things and more for more planter and trendy DIY tips. Remember to hit that subscribe button and set that notification bell on to get all the new videos.